Hi everybody, welcome to today. It's Wednesday. It's a little bit rainy outside if you haven't noticed. So we have a great rainy day activity set for you today. It's in our phys ed resource package. It's called the Pots and Pans Challenge. So this is a pretty fun one. It works a lot on accuracy, precision, and your throwing. So for equipment, you're going to need ping pong balls. So I have a couple. If you don't have ping pong balls, you could try to use aluminum foil ball. It might work a little different. You'll also need some pots and pans. So I have collected a few pots and pans, and you're going to need to set up uh, a range kind of like this. So you're going to set up pans over here, and then over here. And you'll need a cup. So I have a cup set up here. So the object of this challenge is to throw your ping pong ball and have it bounce off the pots and pans and then land in the cup. So you'll have to do some scientific experimenting. You'll have to practice and see where the ping pong ball bounces off of one pot and then move the other pot to that area. I'll show you that process a little bit. I've been filming myself for a while to try to get it, and I have got it, so I'll show you that clip after. But I'll show you kind of the process and how it works. So when you set up your own challenge at home, you're going to need to do something called trial and error. That means you try, and then you'll make a mistake, then you make a change, and then you try again, and you'll probably make a mistake, and then you try again, and you make changes until you get it. So the process I suggest trying, or starting with, is starting with one pot, and seeing when you bounce the ping pong ball off that, where it goes. And then you can put a pot where it goes, and you practice adding always another level. So I'll show you kind of what that looks like. So I start from my chair over here. I'm always throwing with the same velocity, so the same strength. I'm not throwing it too hard, I'm not throwing it too soft, I'm being consistent. So I'm going to throw it. So I see that bounced over here. I don't want it to bounce over here because I can't put a pot over here. So I'm going to try to change this, figure this angle out, and I'm going to try to put another pot. I'm going to try to go here, so I'm going to try to put my pot here. We'll see if I can get that. We'll try. So I'll try again now. Oh, so that one flew way over there. I don't want it to go there. So I'm going to try to bring this back, bring this one back, and see how I can do. And I'll try again. So that was closer. It landed on my pillow. So I'm going to move my pot just a little bit more that way, and we'll see if I can get it to land on the other pan. Oh, that was even closer. It hit the edge. So I'm going to see if I can do this. Maybe tilt my pan a little bit that way. And now I'll try again. A little bit too hard with my throw. Oh, so that one worked. So you can see the process that you go through to get the final product of your ping pong ball landing in the cup takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of trial and error of you moving the pots and pans to different angles. So eventually you can get it, so you bounce it and it bounces into a cup. So I showed you a little bit of that process. It takes some time, so it is fun to try and play around with it at home. So see how you guys do. All right, thanks. Hey!